Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Zimbabwean comedian, actress and content creator Felicita Samurata, also known as Maititi, is celebrating her 40th birthday with a reflective message of Thanksgiving. In a post on social media, Maititi, the entertainer, said the milestone was more than just another year, but a celebration of God's unfailing grace, mercy and faithfulness. 40 years of lessons, growth, victories, and overcoming every obstacle that came my way, she wrote. I am grateful for every blessing, every challenge that made me stronger, and every door God has opened for me. Maititi said she is stepping into her new chapter, choosing joy, peace, wisdom, and greater purpose, while praying for divine favor, good health, abundant opportunities, and protection for her family. Here's to celebrating the woman I've become and the incredible future ahead. The best is yet to come, she added. Known for her comedy skits, acting roles, and the Lost in Ashes movie, Maititi has grown into one of Zimbabwe's most recognizable entertainers. Fans and fellow celebrities flooded a post with birthday wishes following the announcement. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.